Hello and welcome back to another In a Weather video. Today we are talking about the Atlantic hurricane season, where we're finally seeing something happen. This isn't a blank map for the first time in it seems like forever, so we're going to be talking about that today. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now let's get right on into it. Starting off here with disturbance number 1, which has a 50% chance of cyclone formation in 5 days. We have a large area of showers and thunderstorms over the Bay of Campeche. Is associated with a broad low pressure area, and the system has changed little in organization since earlier today. Some slow development is possible during the next few days while the low meanders near the coast of Mexico, and a tropical depression could form late in the week while the system begins to move slowly northward. Regardless, heavy rain is possible over portions of Central America and southern Mexico during the next several days. Moving on to disturbance 2 with a 20% chance of cyclone formation in 5 days. This is a non-tropical area of low pressure located about 150 miles south-southeast of Looming, North Carolina, and it's producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. This system is forecast to move northeastward for the next few days near the Gulf Stream waters, which could allow for some tropical development to occur while it moves away from the U.S. The low should be over cold waters south of Nova Scotia by midweek, ending its development chances. So, here is the GFS, and we're going to be tracking both of those storms. So, starting off here with disturbance number 1. We're going to see a little bit of moisture right in here, and that starts to form up. And as of the latest model run here, this is very disorganized until the very end. Then we see a little bit of organization. So this could be like I would call it a little bit like Tropical Storm Bertha last year, where it formed like a few hours before landfall. But in the past couple of model runs, actually more than a couple, it's been like the last 3 days, we've seen varying intensities of this storm system. We've seen tropical depressions, we've seen tropical storms, maybe even a hurricane or two in those forecasts. So intensity is all over the place right now. In terms of disturbance number 2, I don't see that forming at all. I think this is way too far north. I know that the coastal US is a hotspot for the early part of the season. We usually see something right up the coast, but I think that the Gulf of Mexico is where everything's hot right now, and if anything's going to form, it'll be there. Then, of course, we do have to start shifting our attention to the tropical waves coming off of Africa, as those are going to start to pick up here pretty soon. We do have some here. If you look at the very lower right-hand corner of the screen there, we have a little bit of development coming off of some of those waves, and there's multiple of them too. So that's just something to look out for in the next 3 months before, we only look at that area in September. So we have a lot to cover in probably the next 2 or 3 days with these multiple systems, and it's going to be fun. So stick here, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload. But that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time.